Hello everyone. Today we'll learn from a very lazy student.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Layer masking is a reversible way to hide part of a layer. This gives you more editing flexibility than permanently erasing or deleting part of a layer. Layer masking is useful for making image composites, cutting out objects per use in other documents, and limiting edits to part of a layer. So in order to create a layer mask, you must first select a layer, obviously, in the layers panel, and then you click the add layer mask button at the bottom of the layers panel. There should be a white layer mask thumbnail that appears on the selected layer. Adding black to a layer mask hides the layer that contains the mask. On the other hand, adding white to a layer mask shows the layer that contains the mask. You can paint with white on a layer mask to reveal content you had previously concealed with the black paint. Switching between black and white as you paint on a layer mask is a flexible way to fine-tune the mask edge. If you use a soft brush like the one right here, the edges of the brush will apply shades of gray, which partially hides that part of the layer with the mask. So it makes it more opaque and have that gradient effect. I usually apply this method when doing composites such as theatrical posters, movie posters, photo manipulation like the one that you are seeing right now.